just to let you guys know, low and medium aren't what's different on this fan. I really don't know why. It's faster though. Like, you can see on the video, but not much. Then high is really different. It has no wobble, surprisingly. Like, I'm so surprised this fan doesn't wobble. Like, the blades are slightly bent out of line, like I think. Looks like one of them's the slightest bit out of line. It's going super fast. Now the spin down time takes forever. I'll just let you see it spin down a little bit. But on this fan, I also have this remote. I also have a remote control. So if I put the remote control and the pull chain on low, I can make these very slow speeds. Like, here's the remote. So the remote was on high when I was demonstrating it, but I'll put the remote on low. Then stop this. And then now we'll put the pull chain on low. I need to let it speed up because it's going to be very slow. So what's cool is I can make these a very nice static lows. Just need to make sure the remote control is on low. There we go. I can make these really nice slow low speeds. It is a little while to speed up. I'll speed it up. There we go. But look at how slow I can make it. Then if I bump that chain up to high, then it's the fan's original low speed. But now I'll put it fully back on high, and then I'll turn it off again.